What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Dodge Charger RT, and this one has a Daytona package, so it has a very nice interior and Alcantara and leather. And it is a daily. We have kids and we have to protect those seats, so what better way to do it than installing some custom interior seat covers. These go over those. You do not have to take those off, so these are pretty easy to install. These are very nice. On the outside we got the honeycomb red, and on the inside the material is very nice too, so it won't mess up your seats over time. And we're gonna install it in 3, 2, 1, go. Boom, done. Just kidding. And I just did this one to see how it is. I still have to do that one. We're definitely gonna go over that. But this is very simple, very simple. You put the seat all the way back. You lean it back so you can take this out. This comes out by just pressing one button here and one here, and it comes off. This right here is pretty easy. I'm gonna show you real fast. This just slides over. It has a strap here and there that goes under, and it clips. It has two little straps down here that go hook into a metal piece right there, and it has 3 plastic pieces that you push in flat, and then once it goes behind, you open them so it holds in the back. This just, once you take this headrest off, this slides in. You push the plastic pieces over the holes. It has a zipper on the side, and it has 2 hooks like it has here on the back that you pull under and you hook underneath the seat. And it has 3 plastic parts right here, just like the other piece, that you just push in and open up, and it holds in the back, and it holds everything together. It probably took me maybe around less than 10 minutes for sure, 5 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna jump into that one and show you how it's done. Pretty quick, pretty fast. It looks really good. Really good. Now let's jump into the back. All right, so now this bottom piece, you're supposed to just pull up. So let me see if I just go here and I don't see, let me see. It pulls up and it loosens up, so I gotta do the same thing on that side. And it comes right out. Now we just drop it on, over. So once you get the seat cover up, you flip it. You make sure you have the 4 straps out and the 4 clips. And you're just gonna stretch over and clip all over. And that's pretty much it. So now for the back, this is a couple pieces because mainly that's one big piece over there and this one small piece. So if you pull here, this loosens the seat and it comes forward, right? And then this Velcro comes out here. And then you see this one right here. We gotta loosen that up to take this side piece off because this has a cover too. And over there's another corner where it has a piece too. So this is 10 millimeter. All right, these are pretty easy to figure out because if you look for the hole, it goes like right here where something sits, where this is like placed back into the car. So this cover definitely goes on this side. So you gotta keep playing with it until you get it in the right spot. Looks like there we go. Now let's see if it fits back into the car. So you have to make sure that while this piece has to match the hole, this clip has to go back into this piece somewhere around here. All right, all back done with the 10 millimeter, and this is done. This goes back up. This goes over, pretty simple. It has a slit right here. It has a slit for the little pull latch to open the seat right here. And once you get it seated right, then you go in the back and you have the Velcro that helps it stay in place. It Velcros to the back of the seat. Oh, it has a Velcro on the bottom too, so you can wrap around and make it be tight. All right, so to get this piece out was a little pain because this is very hard to push, not like the ones forward. So I actually had to come around with this and just kind of hold right here and press really hard so I get this piece in because I couldn't do it. It wouldn't budge. And I finally pushed that in and got it out. So this still has the Velcros on the top the same. It has a little hole for the strap on this side that you gotta get over. It has a strap down here that you get through the back. Just gonna put everything over just a little bit slightly so we can kind of get everything situated and then tighten it down. You put it through the seat belt in, so that way the seat belt's still here. And also you're gonna come up here and you're gonna push through the holes here so you can get that in. Get that 1 and 2 situated. There was a strap here. Get that strap out. Now, let's see, get the strap down, get the strap down. All right, so now I gotta clean all my sweat spots. But now that we got all this back piece on, what we gotta do is put the bottom parts and then you just push it in between. You push it in between and then you open it up and it holds behind this and then behind this on the bottom, and this one has it too. We're gonna put the seat back on, get the seat belts out the holes and get everything nice and then start pushing holes in. All right, so what I noticed is you definitely don't want to go this way. You want to flip it this way. So when you go in and you go down, it opens up already. If you go this way, then you try to flip it down, you won't be able, and it's hard to go this way and flip it up. So it's easier this way. All right, all done. Those bottom pieces are a little workout, but if you take your time, you know, it gets it in and gets it compressed and it gets it on pretty good. So it's all It's all done, looks really good. Let's get it out in the sun, get some slow-mos for you to check it out. There you go, custom interiors. Very easy to install, very comfortable, looks very good, and not a bad price at all. So if you want to check them out, go to custominteriors.com or check out Extreme Online Store. You can check them out too if you look up your car. Like I said, it was very easy to install. The only part that took a little bit longer was that back middle piece where you have to get the top pieces and the bottom pieces. You have to kind of slide it in and open it up. That takes a little bit longer, but still less than an hour install, killer for how they look and everything. You can't beat that. So let us know what you think in the comments, and see y'all later. Peace.